Okay, we are at Red Pine Apartments, Red Bluff, Pasadena, Texas. We are at building A. We are going to be going through the cleanouts for 10, 12, 6, 8, 11, 9, 7, 5. We have cast iron piping. Watch out, watch out. Watch out with the cord. Where's it getting hung up on?
Right there on the right.
Bring it back a little bit. Just bring it slowly. Okay, go through it, like, see if you could, like, shove it past. I don't know why it ain't going right there. What is that? Bring it back. I think it's just grease. Go for it. I think you're hitting grease. You're hitting grease. No, that's toilet paper.
Well, let me go.
Okay. It is not letting us go up underneath the building. We are going to go outbound. Okay. Take a look at it. I'm gonna come over here real quick. Take a look at it. What's your?
To the fitting, see where our fitting's at?
Yeah, I'm wondering if you go on. Okay, it's all cloudy. Um, we're gonna go ahead and bring it back. There's a lot of grease buildup in the pipes. I think we need to get the small camera.
You want to do the small camera?
Yeah, I think you might be able to make the other side. Maybe you could be able to go through that, go under these here. I think it's hidden.
Is it going to be long enough?
Yeah.
What we need to do?
Yeah. We'll use a small one real quick.
We'll see how we can start using that one. Well, let's leave this one.
Yeah. We're just gonna leave this one real quick, and then we're gonna. I'm just gonna see if we can get it to go up that pipe. Let me see if he's. Daniel uses a small timer on the lot.
Why? Because it's easier. Ain't easy to carry.
That nigga John did not get a new ladder.
Huh?
John did not get a new ladder when he got his truck.
I know, I told you that was our ladder. We ended up losing our ladder. We had to get
Yeah, we
one.
had to get a new one. That one.
That's how you got that little bitty one. You got that tall one and the little bitty one.
Yeah, he just wanted to take it, dude. He's a douchebag. He cried over a fucking ladder that much, dude.
Yeah, but we got in trouble when we had to go pick up that ladder.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
We left it on the job.
We got pissed up at it. That's my thing about it.
Yeah.
It might be whatever it is, but shit.
What the fuck is this? No.
Just
Okay.
an ass chewing for that ladder. That's what it. The ass chewing wasn't cheap.